Hey, what up, guys? Finally, I installed MetaTrader 5. By the way, I'm doing demo account. Anyways, I trained Muay Thai earlier, but I didn't film it because I want to focus on trading right now. So, update on my trade right now is I took a trade. I did a sell position, but I'm just gonna show it to you. So what I did was I see a liquidity right here, and there's a break of structure. I marked out the order block. If we scale down into 1 hour time frame, I didn't see this right here because I was asleep at that time. Actually, I'm wrong because I trade before the news. I'll trade after the news, but eventually the market is in favor with me right now. That's actually a good thing. I see some three fair value gap. So there's a fair value gap here, here, and here. I put my take profit in this liquidity right here and this liquidity right here. So I'm waiting that it will hit these two TPs. Right now I am making $33. But that pretty much it of my trading right now, and I will update you after hitting this take profit, or maybe I stop loss, but let's not think about that way. I put trust on my strategy, so let's not worry about that much. Alright. So while staring at this chart right here, I just came to realize that they tell us to go to school. Then what do? We go to school. They tell us that we need to go to college. Then what do? We go to a fucking college. They tell us that we need to find a work. Then what do? We find the fucking work. It seems pretty normal at first, but we came to realize that we get paid $4 in every hour of our life. Isn't that disrespectful to you, bro? Like an hour of your life is just worth for a $4 fucking, bro. Imagine that we paid a lot of money to go to school, but at the end of the day, we just get paid for a $4 fucking in every hour of our life. You know what, bro? We need to fucking break this cycle, bro. We need to wake up right now. There's a lot of big opportunities all over the world, bro. We can't just spend our life from waking up in the morning, go to work, go back home, go to sleep, then wake up again, go to work, go back to home, and go to sleep. Like, bro, that's so fucking disrespectful, bro. I know that you don't want to live your life in that way, bro. So let's fucking wake up and get shit done.